Welcome! In this video, we will guide you step by step to set up your printer with the Uber Eats Order Manager app. Let's start by opening the Uber Eats Order Manager app on your tablet. Tap on the hamburger icon located at the top left corner of the screen. Tap on Settings, then tap on Receipt Printing. Now that you see this screen, tap Select to begin searching for printers. Your printer should appear shortly. If it doesn't, please check that Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are enabled by tapping Settings and granting permissions for location in nearby devices. Select your printer and proceed. Tap Test. Print to complete setup. And you're all set.